Happy Saturday. It is open house for my team member and big sis, Michelle. She's doing open house for a gorgeous new listing. Let's take a look. New listing from my team. So I have a personal bias for that one, so bear with me, but really love this house. Shows well, beautiful turf and paver on the outside, which will also be in the backyard. But this neighborhood has a lot of pride of ownership, well manicured lawns. The curb appeal is off the charts. So let's go inside and see what it looks like. Homeowners put LVP flooring throughout. The design choices were beautiful, impeccable. Love the living room, dining room combo. Light fixture stands out. Leads you here into kitchen, black countertops, stainless steel appliances, floating shelves, really flows well. And then you have this great combo with the family room, fireplace, and that coffee bar, which is the star of this particular room for me. As we take a step back here, I'm going to give you a better view of how large the coffee bar is. I'm a coffee guy these days, so this would be an amazing way to start off my morning. I would really dig this. But I love, in contrast to the modern updates, the fireplace there. They kept its original charm and design, and it really stands out and does show well in the home. Got your farmhouse kitchen sink here, the view of the backyard. So much natural light in this area. I really love it. Should also note that this home is a single-story house, which is rare to find in Mission Viejo. 1,800 square feet, more or less, and about 5,800 square foot lot on the outside. You're going to spend a lot of your time out here with the turf and the pavers. It really shows well. Put your patio furniture out here. Put your cornhole set. Put your smoker or your barbecue grill and enjoy that view, which you get from Lake Mission Viejo, and that will be where you spend your money and your time. This camera view does not give it justice, so stay with me to the end of the video where I spend a little bit more time showing you the view of the lake. But this is a great entertainment house. You can go in and out of the home from the primary bedroom or from that kitchen living room area. Here's your primary bedroom with a lot of space, a lot of size. Got your closet here on the left. And then you have the main bathroom here on the right. Beautiful walk-in shower, dual vanities. Love the black fixtures that pop in the white design of the home. Really tells a really cool story. Homeowners had a lot of taste when they were doing this. Then we check out the second guest bedroom, or excuse me, bathroom. Tastefully done. That's solid, full bath. And then you get your guest bedroom here. This is the first guest bedroom, or guest bedroom number 1. A lot of size, more natural light, tells the right story. I love that about this. And then you're in the second bedroom for guests, and you can make this into anything you want. Be office, kids room, whatever your imagination so chooses. Should also note that in the last 3 years, the homeowners have updated everything. They have solar, they have HVAC, they have window treatments, new sliders. They pretty much touched every surface of the home inside and out. So you might want to jump on this, but you do have HOA dues here, and that gives you rights and access to the lake, which is the money shot right there. If you want to see this home in person, reach out to me to set up a private tour. But thank you for watching the video, and I'll see you on the next one.